Hello everyone and welcome to this session. This is PabloModelkits and today I bring you something different. But before getting on with it, I want to give you all my gratitude for the great warm welcome that my last video had. And some of you commented there how Ghost connected all the remote light system. And for those who asked, I have great news for you. This video is what it's all about. Let's go for it. I have here all the components, but before getting on with it, just let you know that I'm not electronic expert and I will try to explain it this way so you connect and you have this remote system and you can use for all your projects and wherever you need to light with the remote control. I'm going to introduce all components, so come here. Well, here we have all components. First of all is the remote controller and the receptor kit. This you can get it in AliExpress. Where I get it, I can leave the link in the description. Then we have here a transistor that is the model, as you can see, L7805CB, and one resistance that is 1 kilo ohm resistance. Then this is the SMD LED light that is very small, as you can see here. And last but not least is the battery and the battery socket. I buy it separately, and well, the idea is to have easily way to connect the battery to all the electronic system. Okay, so I'm going to go with the whole thing already working. Okay, let me show you the whole circuit that is already built in this proto board. Step by step, I am going to explain you how is the whole thing connected. Let's check if it's working now. Okay, it's working. You can see that the LED light is turning on. Also, the blue light in the receptor is turning on. So let's go step by step explaining the connections. We have the black and red cables that goes connected to the black and red cables in the battery, and here with the blue and the white we have two connections, the blue in the left pin and the white in the center pin. Okay, then we have the 1k ohm resistance that goes from the right pin to the red cable in the LED light, and then the black cable in the LED light goes in the middle of the transistor again, because let's say that the blue is the plus voltage and the white is the minus voltage, and that's it. If you follow these connections, it will work for you. And obviously you can ask if you need two LED lights. Is that easy to connect two LEDs in the same way? So I have one that goes here in the center and one that goes here in the end of the resistance, and now as you can see we have two lights turning on that can be the front lights, as I did in the Bugatti 35P. Well, I hope you find useful this video. Leave your comments, leave your likes, and don't forget to follow my channel. See you in next videos.